A common one is when you have to manage multiple deadlines on the same day, which can feel a bit stressful and overwhelming. When one piece of work takes longer than expected, then you can end up rushing everything else to submit them on time.
I know friends have found it hard to balance their uni work with other things in their life, such as caring responsibilities, a job, or a busy social life. It can be tempting to ask a friend for some quick help by asking to look through their work to get ideas using AI tools such as ChatGPT or an estimate mill.
I think we have all been in a situation when we have an assignment due and a close friend is struggling and needs some help. I really want to help them, but at the same time, I want to make sure that I do not compromise my academic integrity.
Rwy wedi bod yn gweithio ar asyniadau mewn grŵp. Gall bod yn anodd sicrhau uniondeb academaidd gan nad ydych yn siŵr o ble mae'r lleill yn cael ei gwybodaeth.
When you do have multiple deadlines, make a plan working backwards from the deadline to ensure that you have enough time to meet them all. If even after all the planning something expected comes up, which means you are unable to meet the deadline, you can always get in touch with your tutor to see if you could apply for extenuating circumstances and get an extension. The university also offers classes and tutorials to help you get started on your assignments and to manage your time.
I think if you're ever finding it hard to juggle your uni work with other things in your life, it's important to have a sit down and reflect what is more important and how to manage time effectively. It's always worth getting in touch with your personal tutor if there's something that's worrying you, as they can help direct you to the correct person to help resolve your worries.
If a friend asks for help with their assignment, I think the best approach is to have an open conversation with them and explain that it is not the best idea to share your assignments. But you can help explain things further to them. I would ask the friend what part of the assignment they are struggling with and direct them to the module guidance or literature that they might find useful. If they are still unable to get the information they require, then advise them to get in touch with the module leader or personal tutor who may be able to help provide extra materials and help answer any questions they may have. If I can, I would also offer to help them in a different way to help them free up their time. For example, do a few errands for them.
Pan fyddwch chi'n gweithio ar dasg grŵp, mae aml yn well cael sgwrs agored a gonest gyda gweddill y grŵp ynglyn â'r disgwyliadau sydd gan bawb a siarad am unrhyw awgrymiadau neu driciau i osgoi llenladrad. Yn ogystal, gallwch wirio a darllen trwy waith ei gilydd a chroeswirio ar adnoddau a ddefnyddiwyd ganddynt i sicrhau ei fod yn cynnal uniondeb academaidd.